Ako si Raf. My hobbies are mostly sports, basketball, volleyball, ultimate frisbee, and ayun, through that community ng ultimate frisbee na-introduce sa amin yung idea na mag-try ng freediving. So, ayun. Nakita namin yung videos and tapos nagkwento rin sila sa amin na sobrang fun daw ng experience, sobrang chill, and okay yung yung naging pagtuturo sa kanila. And natuto talaga sila. So, yun. Gusto rin namin ma-experience. I expect to learn a lot and to just be open to new ideas, to possibly take this as a new hobby in the near future, ganyan. Makabalik-balik para matry ulit. And mag-progress, actually. After taking this lesson, I think I will be... pag nagtatry kasi ako ng bagong thing, usually gigil ako na matuto pa more. So, I expect to be more eager to try this again and maybe in harder levels or to progress in free dive.
Hindi ko talaga siya kaya sa nag-dive ako. How was your experience? So, unang beses mo nakita yung turtle?
Sobrang saya. Sobrang dami ko natutunan. As in, I had no idea there was this much science into it. Parang, ang idea ko kasi dati sa freediving, you dive, you go deep into the waters, yun lang. Hindi ko in-expect na meron palang you gotta take time to relax, to calm yourself, to pre-equalize, and then yung steps before ka duck dive, tapos equalization ulit sa ilalim. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun karaming complicated steps. Pero kaya siya. As a beginner, yun nga, dami ko natutunan and I tried my best to apply what I learned. First time ko kasi makita ng turtle that close. So parang, ewan ko, dati pa kasi ako may appreciation for turtles. Feeling ko turtle talaga yung spirit animal ko eh. So parang pagkakita ko sa kanya, wow, ang laki niya. Tapos may nakasakay pa sa kanyang isda. Tapos parang I felt a connection, I think. If that makes sense. Ayun. Muntik nga akong maluha. Feeling ko maiiyak ako nung nakita ko na siya. Sobrang thankful din ako to CO2 for this experience. Tinatry ko kasi nung una to think of parang mga favorite song ko para kumalma ako. Pero parang hindi siya nag-work nung first few dives ko. So, what I did was just to clear my mind lang talaga. Wala akong ibang iniisip. As in, kung kaya nga, pipikit pa ako eh. Para ma-blank talaga. Ayun. That made me calmer, I think. Enroll na kayo. CO2. It's a great community to be a part of.